Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we will learn how to enable one-handed mode in VIVO Y21 smartphone. So the one-handed mode is a very useful feature if you want to use the phone with the one hand. So in the VIVO phone, there is a gesture option available for the one-hand mode. So we can easily access the one-hand mode with the gesture. So in the home screen, you need to swipe left and right at the same time to access the one hand mode. So you can see now I enter to the one hand mode. Yes, now the phone enter to the one hand mode. You can modify the size also, so it's a very smallest one, and you can change the position. Now you can use the phone with one hand very easily. If you want to exit the one hand mode, you need to click the X option. The phone enter to the normal mode. So the gesture is, so this is a gesture. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.